Thank you for your interest in CapSure, the next-generation visitor management solution for the corporate enterprise that delivers integrated access control for employees and visitors with unsurpassed ease of use. During this demo, we will provide an overview of CapSure's visitor processing, web interface, and optional features such as access control integration, pass printing, and voicemail authorization. Today, more than ever, employees place a high premium on their company's privacy and security. This has resulted in a rapidly growing demand for guarded facilities along with access control solutions. And companies are concerned with allowing rapid access to the corporate enterprise for authorized employees and members, while restricting access for unwanted visitors. The core of CapSure is a powerful, flexible database that brings together all relevant information related to access control and provides it to employees, security personnel, and administrative staff on a need-to-know basis. CapSure can be programmed to seamlessly link to other databases in your corporate enterprise as needed, creating a unified user interface. Accuracy is improved because data is entered only once, and input from all users is immediately reflected throughout the system. This creates immense advantages over other solutions that work in a standalone fashion and require a lot of hands-on management. CapSure delivers impressive benefits to all of your key constituencies. Security personnel can perform their duties more efficiently and effectively with easy access to authorized visitors, employee data, and incident reporting. Visitors are verified and processed rapidly, receiving automatically generated visitor passes that contain customized directions. CapSure makes use of a pending visitor window. As visitors are called in by employees or entered online, they appear in a pending visitor window, and security officers can shorten or lengthen the list of pending visitors by selecting the 2-hour, 4-hour, or all pending visitor view. Another method of visitor lookup is to perform a search on the employee's name to see their list of visitors, or to search for a specific visitor's name to see if they have been authorized for admittance. CapSure offers security personnel a quick lookup function to call employees for unannounced visitors. Simply search for the employee name, click Call Employee, select your number, and the computer does the rest. Each corporate enterprise can establish their own visitor types, such as contractors, one-time, and permanent. Each category of visitor can be assigned certain access control privileges, such as a one-day pass only, and passes clearly identify the visitor type with large, bold lettering. Deploying and using CapSure is easy. Security personnel simply log into the program on their computer, and all of the information and tools they need to manage access control is right at their fingertips. Intuitive screens, drop-down menus, integrated pass printing, and an up-to-date database enhances security processes and increases productivity. With optional web access, employees and administrative staff can directly input and maintain access-related information on any PC with an internet connection. No training or special software is needed. Employee web login allows employees to manage their own visitor and contact information. Everything from key phone numbers and automobile information to repeat visitors and even descriptions of approved vendors. And administrative staff has full visibility to access-related activity across the corporate enterprise with effective management and reporting tools. Other features further extend CapSure's capabilities. For example, many companies utilize electronic access control devices to speed the entry of employees. This may be as simple as a keypad installed at each gatehouse or as sophisticated as radio frequency identification stickers applied to the employee's windshield that enable automated wireless entry. But keeping employee access data current and synchronized with contractor, visitor, and guest databases can be a time-consuming and error-prone task. CapSure simplifies all of this by providing a unified, easy-to-use interface for maintaining all access data. CapSure's voicemail authorization component adds another time-saving function that increases security productivity while enhancing the employee experience and improving your security processes. Integrated voicemail authorization stores incoming calls as digital files that are, with caller ID, automatically linked to the employee's profile for rapid visitor processing. This feature also ensures that employees never get a busy signal or unanswered phone at the security desk. Another optional feature is the integration of a driver's license scanner. With this capability, you can record visitor details such as the driver's name, address, and even their picture. If for some reason security is unable to scan a driver's license, there's even a field for notes and an explanation. These details are then stored permanently in the visitor transaction log. The visitor transaction log is a permanent record of all the visitor transactions that have taken place using the CapSure system. Note that the information includes the visitor name, host name, date of transaction, the person who scheduled the visitor, the guard that processed the visitor, the gate they entered, and even a link to the voicemail message that may have been left by an employee. CapSure Mobile allows security personnel to more effectively manage busy gates and allows roaming patrol to record security incidents through a handheld device. CapSure offers several types of handheld integration. Handhelds with reader integration allow personnel to scan an RFID device or barcode and view the details associated with the owner of that device. Details include name, address, phone number, and even a photo ID. The handheld may also be used to process visitors through a busy gate or an entry point where a computer terminal is not practical. The handheld accesses the same database used by a stationary guard with real-time information, allowing real-time and remote processing of visitors. Finally, the CapSure handheld allows roaming patrol to record security incidents and even upload photos of the incident. Security incidents are then available for administrator to view and generate reports. Of course, security incidents may also be input from a stationary computer. Many companies are challenged by the volume of contractors, vendors, and employees that enter a corporate enterprise on a daily basis, and most software programs handle this critical need as an afterthought. CapSure contains an integrated, seamless interface to help you manage this often overlooked need. Since contractors, vendors, and organizations can be created in CapSure as a distinct entity, the corporate enterprise can store vital information, assign access privileges, and even allow the contractor to have web access to manage their own visitors. This can be the case of a general contractor that has a need to allow subcontractors into a corporate enterprise for a period of time. CapSure even provides revenue tracking for contractors. Many companies have begun to assess certain visitors, such as contractors, a fee for the privilege of using their facility. CapSure allows the corporate enterprise to sell daily, weekly, monthly, and annual passes, and/or electronic access control devices to generate revenue to help offset the expense of maintenance and to help pay for the security staff. CapSure makes this a manageable task. We mentioned the CapSure Visitor Pass earlier, but let's take a little more in-depth look. Because we encourage companies to call in visitors to security or enter them online in advance of their arrival, an authorized visitor can be cleared for entry in as little as 15 seconds. Pass printing on a high-speed thermal printer enhances this process by providing the visitor with a high-quality pass that contains the host's name, visitor's name, expiration date, and directions to the home. The pass can also contain a code that clearly identifies the type of pass that has been issued, such as a C for contractor. And finally, if the corporate enterprise is interested in egress tracking, an optional barcode can be printed, which can be read by the CapSure barcode reader to open the gate and register the exiting vehicle. CapSure's advanced design ensures an effective implementation in all environments. Built from the ground up as a web-based application and utilizing the Microsoft's .NET and SQL database for robust applications, CapSure provides a seamless fit with your existing systems and processes, whether your corporate enterprise size is 100, 1,000, or 10,000. CapSure's flexibility and scalability also ensures adaptability as your corporate enterprise grows and changes. CapSure visitor management software can be hosted on-site or in our data center. The data center features multiple bandwidth providers, dual power grids, and emergency backup generators. In addition, 24/7 video monitoring and secure electronic access ensure the security and integrity of your data. And whether we host your CapSure program or it's on-site, we also provide all software maintenance and support. At CapSure, we work closely with our customers to deliver a complete solution that's tailored to meet your specific requirements. We provide all the software and equipment you need, along with professional implementation and optional remote hosting. And we also offer customized software development for unique applications. For more detailed information about specific features, be sure to visit us on the web at www.capsure.com.